Hi, Mark. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did. I went to bed early.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 every morning.
That's early. Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I go jogging for 30 minutes.
Wow, that's great. Do you enjoy jogging?
I do. It helps me feel energetic.
What do you do after jogging?
I take a shower and eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs. Sometimes fruit, too.
Sounds healthy. What time do you go to work?
I leave home at 8 a.m.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus. It's quicker than driving.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. My coworkers are friendly.
That's important. What do you do at work?
I'm an accountant. I work with numbers all day.
That sounds interesting. Is it stressful?
Sometimes, but I manage it well.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m. usually.
What do you do after work?
I relax at home or meet friends.
Do you have any hobbies, Mark?
Yes, I love playing the guitar.
Really? How long have you played?
I've played for about 5 years now.
That's impressive. Do you play every day?
Not every day, but a few times a week.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy rock and acoustic music mostly.
Do you write your own songs?
Sometimes, it's a fun, creative outlet.
That's wonderful. Do you play in a band?
No, I just play for myself and friends. What about you, Sarah? Do you have hobbies?
Yes, I love painting and reading books.
What kind of books do you read?
Mostly mystery novels and biographies.
Interesting. How often do you paint?
I paint on weekends, usually Saturday afternoons.
What do you like to paint?
Landscapes and flowers mostly.
Do you sell your paintings?
No, I just paint for fun.
That's a great hobby to have.
Thank you. Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I like watching documentaries.
What kind of documentaries?
Nature and history documentaries mostly.
That sounds educational. Do you watch movies too?
Occasionally, I prefer action movies.
Who's your favorite actor?
I really like Tom Hardy.
He's a great actor. Do you go to the cinema often?
Not very often, maybe once a month.
What about weekends? What do you usually do?
I clean my apartment and run errands.
Do you cook on weekends?
Yes, I like trying new recipes.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making pasta dishes.
That sounds delicious. Do you cook Italian food often?
Yes, it's my favorite cuisine.
Do you eat out sometimes too?
Occasionally with friends on Fridays.
What's your favorite restaurant?
There's a small Italian place nearby.
Sounds nice. Do you like traveling, Mark?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Where have you traveled recently?
I went to Spain last summer.
Wow, did you enjoy it?
Yes, the food and culture were amazing.
What was your favorite part of the trip?
Visiting the beaches in Barcelona.
That sounds relaxing. Do you travel alone or with others?
Usually with friends or family.
Where do you want to travel next?
I'd like to visit Japan someday.
That would be exciting. Do you speak any other languages?
I speak a little Spanish.
That's impressive. How did you learn it?
I took classes in college.
Do you practice it often?
Not as much as I should.
Maybe you should watch Spanish movies.
That's a good idea, actually.
What do you do to relax after a long day?
I listen to music or read a book.
Do you meditate or do yoga?
Sometimes when I feel stressed.
That's a healthy habit. Do you sleep early?
Yes, usually around 10 p.m.
That's a good schedule. Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Leo.
Aw, that's adorable. Is he friendly?
Very friendly, especially in the mornings.
Do you take him for walks?
No, cats don't usually walk outside.
Oh, that's right. Silly me.
It's okay. Do you have any pets?
No, but I want a dog someday.
Dogs are wonderful companions.
Yes, they are. Well, thanks for the chat, Mark.
You're welcome, Sarah. It was fun talking with you.
Let's talk again soon.
Definitely. Have a great day.
You too. Bye for now.
Bye, Sarah.